Hello students of class 8, we have seen that Sylvia has been captured by the robbers, and she had taken Eglamour for her protection, but when needed Eglamour escaped and just left her in the hands of robbers. The robber who had taken Sylvia, seeing the terror she was in, bade her not to be alarmed, that is, afraid. Bade her means told her. For that he was only going to carry her to a cave where his captain lived, and that she need not be afraid, for their captain had an honourable mind and always showed humanity to women. Sylvia found little comfort in hearing she was going to be carried as a prisoner before the captain of a lawless bandit. So the robbers who had captured Sylvia, they said that please don't be afraid. We are not going to harm you in any way, and we are just going to take you to our captain, and our captain is a very honorable man, and he always shows a lot of concern for women, humanity for women, and means we are not going to bring any harm to you. Means the robbers tried to convince her in that way, but Sylvia did not find any comfort in this words, but because she thought that she was going to be she had been captured, and now, just like a prisoner, she was going to be presented before the captain of a lawless, for captain of robbers. So she she felt very sad about that. "Oh Valentine," she cried, this I endure for thee. So she just cried out in despair that, "Oh Valentine, see what I have to go through because of you." But as the robber was conveying means taking her to the cave of his captain, he was stopped by Proteus, who, still attended by Julia in disguise of a page, having heard of the flight of Sylvia, had traced her steps to the forest. Proteus now rescued her from the hands of the robber, but scarce had she time to thank him for the service he had done her before he began to distress her afresh with his love suit. And while he was rudely pressing her to consent to marry him, and his page was standing beside him in great anxiety of mind, fearing lest the great service which Proteus had just done to Sylvia should win her to show him some favor, they were all strangely surprised with the sudden appearance of Valentine, who, having heard his robbers had taken a lady prisoner, had come to console and relieve her. Now, what happened? These robbers were taking Sylvia to Valentine, to their captain, and at that time Proteus appeared on scene, because Proteus had heard that Sylvia had escaped from the palace. So, following, he went out in search, and he was able to, find Sylvia in the forest, and Proteus was also accompanied by his page Sebastian, who is none other than Julia. Now, Proteus now came and rescued Sylvia, and Sylvia wanted to thank Proteus for that, but then again Proteus started to convince Sylvia about his love. Now Julia, who was there beside Proteus, she became very afraid, because she thought that maybe that Julia means that Proteus had now saved Sylvia. There might be a change in Sylvia's mind, and she might accept Proteus's love suit. Okay, and that was something which worried her. But when they were all means when Proteus was trying to convince Sylvia, and Julia was getting worried. At that time, Valentine came into the scene because he had heard that the robbers had captured a woman, and she had come to relieve and console that lady. Proteus was courting Sylvia, and he was so much ashamed of being caught by his friend that he was all at once seized with penitence and remorse. And he expressed such a lively sorrow for the injuries he had done to Valentine, that Valentine, whose nature was noble and generous, even to a romantic degree, not only forgave and restored him to his former place in his friendship, but in a sudden flight of heroism, he said, "I freely do forgive you, and all the interest I have in Sylvia, I give it up to you." So, what happened? Valentine appeared on the scene, and what did Valentine see? Valentine saw that Proteus was trying to court Sylvia. So, Proteus was caught red-handed. And now when Proteus saw that he had been caught by his friend, he felt very guilty about himself, and with sincere feelings, he asked for forgiveness to his friend, that, "Dear Valentine, I know I have betrayed you, and I am very sorry for that. Please forgive me." So, and Valentine was a kind of person who was very generous in nature, was a kind-hearted person. So, he immediately forgave his friend Proteus, and not only was he generous, but he was generous to a very great extent. And what did he say? That he forgave his friend from his heart, and restored him to his, that is, once again their friendship was same as it used to be. And not only that, he also gave up all claims on Valentine also gave up all claims on Sylvia, and said that, you are free to take Sylvia as your beloved. So that was kind of it's too much in that way. So we stop here today. We'll do the rest of it in the next class. Thank you.